Childs Hill, like many other places, is dependent on local organisations to provide warm and safe spaces for community activities and events. All Saints is one of those places in Childs Hill, but the roof behind me is 160 years old. There is water coming in and the insulation is non-existent. To address the climate crisis, All Saints has made the commitment to become carbon neutral by 2030, but we can't even take the first step until this roof is watertight and insulated. Our plan is to replace the roof with the same high-quality Welsh slate that we have today, and which has lasted so well. But before they put the roof on, they will lay a layer of insulation on first, effectively wrapping the building in a warm blanket. It is the best combination of traditional skills and materials with contemporary technology to ensure a sustainable and long life expectancy. All Saints has been at the centre of Childs Hill for 160 years. From this space, we provide room for everybody. We have toddler groups and youth groups, a knitting group, a lunch club, and warm hubs 2 days a week. It's also from this space that Childs Hill Food Bank feeds or provides food for around 60 households each week. We need your help to make sure that we can raise the roof and provide this space for the next 160 years.